Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best sink pop-up assembly is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components in maintaining a functional and aesthetically pleasing bathroom or kitchen sink, often failing without warning and leading to frustrating leaks or clogs. This seemingly simple device, responsible for opening and closing your drain, plays a vital role in water management and hygiene, making its selection and proper installation paramount for any homeowner looking to avoid costly repairs and water wastage. Today, we're diving deep into what makes a pop-up assembly truly stand out, ensuring your sink operates smoothly for years to come. Number 5. PF WaterWorks PF0907 CH Pop-Up Drain Repair Kit. This repair kit is designed to retrofit most standard ball rod pop-up drains. It offers a universal solution for your plumbing needs. Featuring a robust construction, this kit includes a long-lasting metal rod. You can rely on its durability for years to come. The threaded adjustable ball rod design makes mounting the ball easy. It also allows for simple length adjustments to ensure a perfect fit. Enjoy an easy, no-tools installation process. It's designed to fit seamlessly into existing or new pop-up drains. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a ball rod, 3 different nuts, gaskets, 3 sizes of balls, linkage, and a pull rod. What we like. This repair kit is designed for universal retrofitting into most standard ball rod pop-up drains. Its robust metal rod construction ensures long-lasting durability. If you're looking to repair an existing pop-up drain with a threaded adjustable ball rod, this is a great choice for easy mounting and length adjustment. What people say. It was easy to install and it works great. The drain stopper is easy to push down and pull up, and it seals well. The finish is nice and it seems to be made of good quality materials. Number 4. KAIYING Bathroom Vessel Sink Drain with Overflow. Introducing a stylish and functional drain designed for your bathroom vessel sink. It seamlessly blends with your decor while offering exceptional performance. Designed to fit most standard bathroom sink openings, installation is a breeze. No special tools are needed, making it perfect for any DIY project. Say goodbye to clogged drains. This innovative design features a built-in basket strainer that effectively catches hair and debris, keeping your pipes clear. Crafted from high-quality brass and thickened stainless steel, it's built to last. The superior finish resists corrosion and rust for enduring beauty. Operating it is as simple as a push. Effortlessly seal and open the drain with a convenient push-button mechanism, no lift rod required. Maintenance is simple. The detachable basket strainer can be easily removed for cleaning, ensuring your drain stays hygienic and functional. What we like. This drain stopper features a convenient detachable basket strainer that neatly collects hair and debris, preventing clogs. Its all-metal construction from brass and stainless steel ensures maximum durability and rust resistance. If you are looking for a stylish brushed champagne gold finish and want to avoid clogs with an easy-to-clean strainer, this is the perfect option for your vessel sink. What people say. The pop-up stopper works smoothly and seals well, preventing water from draining. The drain assembly is made of durable brass, which feels sturdy and well-constructed. Installation was straightforward, and the included gasket ensured a watertight seal without needing plumber's putty. Number 3. Hibbent Universal Bathroom Sink Drain Stopper. Tired of slow drains and clogs? This innovative sink stopper offers an upgraded pop-up design for seamless water control. It's designed to fit most standard bathroom sinks, ensuring a perfect seal. Never lose jewelry down the drain again. Its built-in strainer basket catches hair and debris, preventing clogs and making cleanup a breeze. Simply lift the cap for easy cleaning. This stopper is engineered for sinks with an overflow hole, preventing water damage and flooding. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Enjoy a perfectly sealed sink every time. The robust design guarantees a leak-proof experience, ideal for soaking, grooming, or pet baths without any spills. Upgrade your sink in minutes. Installation is incredibly easy with all the necessary parts included. Plus, our customer service is always ready to assist if you have any questions. Please note that this stopper is designed for sink drain diameters between 1 to 5/8 and 1 to 3/4 inches. Kindly measure your sink hole before purchasing to ensure compatibility. What we like. This pop-up drain stopper offers an absolutely leak-proof experience thanks to its robust sealing mechanism and multiple gasket configurations. It also features a removable strainer basket for effortless cleaning and clog prevention. If you frequently use your sink for soaking, grooming, or pet bathing and need a reliable, leak-proof seal, this product is ideal for sinks with an overflow. What people say. The pop-up stopper is easy to install and works smoothly. The drain assembly is made of durable metal and has a nice finish. It effectively prevents water from draining when closed and opens easily when lifted. Number 2. Hygie Rinse Universal Bathroom Sink Drain Stopper. Tired of ill-fitting drain parts? Our universal sink drain is designed to fit most standard sinks, including those from Moen and American Standard. It's the perfect solution for your bathroom vanity. Keep your hands clean with our convenient lift rod. Simply pull the rod to seal or drain the water, avoiding the need to touch the bottom of the sink. It's a more sanitary and user-friendly experience. Crafted with a thickened ABS body and a 304 stainless steel pop-up surface, this drain stopper is built to last. The brushed nickel coating offers excellent resistance to scratches and corrosion, maintaining its elegant look. Experience a superior seal with our advanced compression lock. This functional replacement for traditional pull mechanisms ensures a complete seal, preventing leaks and keeping water where you want it. Our pop-up drain stopper includes all necessary gaskets and washers for a tight seal. The included overflow feature and rubber gasket ensure no water leaks, providing peace of mind for your bathroom. What we like. This sink drain stopper offers a convenient lift rod setting, allowing for sanitary and easy operation without touching the drain. Its universal fit is compatible with most standard sinks, including those with an overflow. If you prefer a traditional lift rod mechanism for ease of use and want a durable, anti-scratch brushed nickel finish, this is a great choice for your bathroom vanity. What people say. The drain stopper is easy to install and works perfectly. It has a good seal and doesn't leak. The pop-up mechanism is smooth and easy to operate. Number 1. Hygie Rinse Universal Bathroom Sink Drain Stopper. This drain stopper is designed for universal fit, accommodating a wide range of sink drain holes. It's compatible with most major faucet brands, ensuring a seamless installation. Say goodbye to touching dirty sink bottoms. Simply pull the lift rod to seal or drain your sink, offering a more sanitary and convenient experience. Crafted with a thickened ABS body and a 304 stainless steel pop-up surface with chrome coating, this drain stopper is built to last. It resists scratches and corrosion for long-term use. Featuring an advanced compression lock, it creates a complete seal to keep water in. This functional replacement offers a modern alternative to traditional drain mechanisms. Enjoy a worry-free experience with its leak-proof design. The included rubber gasket ensures a tight seal, preventing any water from escaping. What we like. This sink drain stopper provides a sanitary and convenient lift rod operation, eliminating the need to touch the drain. It boasts a universal fit for most standard sinks with an overflow. If you are looking for a sleek chrome finish and the ease of a lift rod mechanism for your vessel sink, this product offers a great combination of style and functionality. What people say. The pop-up stopper is easy to install and works perfectly. The drain assembly is made of durable metal and has a nice finish. It effectively prevents hair from going down the drain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.